Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic leak shows the return of a beloved feature. Yep, the rotating bezel is making a comeback. Samsung makes some of the best Android smartwatches. With the 2022 Galaxy Watch 5 series, the company made incremental internal improvements and focused mainly on enhancing the design and offering longer battery life. It also expanded the lineup with the rugged Watch 5 Pro, though a follow-up model to the Watch 4 Classic with its iconic rotating bezel was nowhere to be seen. Rumors have indicated the Korean giant could bring back the rotating circular dial with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in 2023, which is now leaked in renders. The leak comes from the ever-reliable OnLeaks and MySmartPrice, so there's little reason to doubt its authenticity. In the renders, it looks quite similar to the Watch 4 Classic with a brushed metal body. Thick bezels surround its circular display with the home and back buttons located on the chassis' right side. You can also see a debuckle sport band on the smartwatch, similar to the one Samsung offers with the Watch 5 Pro. It is difficult to ascertain from the images if the device will feature slightly thinner bezels than the previous model. A physical rotating dial makes it easy to navigate around on your smartwatch. It is an intuitive way to scroll through lists quickly. You can also use the rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch to cycle through your Wear OS tiles and notifications. The physical rotating bezel is advantageous for active users with sweaty fingers and is just more pleasant to use in general. It promises to be the single biggest change in Samsung's smartwatch line this year, and one that will no doubt be appreciated by most fans and would-be customers. The report suggests that the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup will include two models, including the classic variant that will be the direct successor to the Watch 5 Pro and come with a renewed feature. The vanilla model, however, is expected to give the physical rotating bezel a miss. While the latest leak doesn't delve into specifications and other key details, earlier leaks have revealed some critical information about the devices. The latter is expected to feature a 1.47-inch display with a resolution of 470 by 470 pixels. The Watch 5 Pro, in comparison, has a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 450 by 450 pixel resolution. One of the devices in the lineup is also tipped to sport a 425 mAh battery, but it's not clear whether it will be vanilla or the classic model. There's no more information on the Galaxy Watch 6 series for now, but we will hopefully get more details in the weeks leading up to the launch. So how do you like this new rotating bezel design? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.